Today I'm going to teach you how to make pizza sliders using buns. So first what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your oven and turn it on to 425 Fahrenheit. And you're going to take your buns and cut them in half, and you're going to just put the tops away for a bit, and then you're going to put spaghetti sauce or pizza sauce on the bottoms of the buns. Now that I've got the spaghetti sauce on the buns, then I'm going to put on the toppings. You can of course put on whatever toppings you like, and I'll be making these pineapple pepperoni, so I'll be using pepperoni slices, pineapple tidbits, and then cheese. So I will now put those on. Okay, now that I have all the toppings I want on the buns, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the tops back onto the buns. Now don't mind my son, he's having a lot of fun right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of spaghetti sauce on each, and also a little bit of cheese. Okay, now that I have the spaghetti sauce and the cheese on top of the buns, they are ready to go into the oven. So you're just going to take your pizza bun sliders and you're going to put them in the oven. And you're going to put them in for about 10 minutes, and you will look at them to see if the cheese is starting to get golden brown after that. Okay, as you can see, after 10 minutes the cheese is starting to brown, so you can just take them out. Make sure to turn off your oven, and there you have it. All you need to do is take a knife and divide the buns, and they're ready to eat. This is very simple to make, and it tastes great. Maybe not as good as actual homemade pizza, but as I said, it tastes great.